Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Before we import data into Nvivo, let's first understand what types of data Nvivo can work with. Nvivo can work with different types of qualitative data such as documents, for example, interview transcript, reflections, open-ended survey responses, in Word files or PDF files, audio and video files such as video recordings of interview and discussions, classroom recordings, presentations, or observations. Last but not least, images such as photos, screenshots, or scanned materials. For beginners, it's best to start with documents, especially Word or PDF files. There are two simple ways to import your data into Nvivo. The first method is import and select, and the second method is drag and drop. Let's try the first method, import and select. So first we need to open our project. Click import. Click files. Select the documents. Click open and click import. So that was the first way. Let's try the second method or the second way, drag and drop. So first you need to open the folder, close this, highlight or select the documents, drag and drop those files here. So we are done. Remember, two ways to import data. First, import and select. The second way is drag and drop. That's all you need to get started. Bye.